What's up, guys? It's Tish. I haven't did a video in like 4 days. I know I'm slacking. I've been slacking a lot lately. I feel like this week I should have time to do more videos. I feel like I should. Like, I don't know, because work's starting to slow down. And today I'm just doing this really pretty pink. I wanted to wear like my forces. They're super cute. Let me show you guys. They're so cute. So I wanted to do like a really cute pink look today. Oops, I just hit my mirror or whatever it was. And I know I think my last few videos have been doing pinks. I think I already mentioned this anyway. Sorry. I'm obsessed with the color pink and burgundy and purple. I'm not really into, I don't know. I need to switch it up though. I might go for a run today. It's so beautiful though. Yeah, it's cold. But whatever, that still makes me. It's hot in my room right now. Whew. But let's get to the tutorial. Wait, before we get to the tutorial, hurry up and go subscribe to my channel right now. And at the end, if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up and a comment, please. Anyway, let's get to the video. Okay, so I'm going to use my base. I'm going to use this coconut out of my Christmas in New York palette. I'm just going to take my finger and dab it all over. Sometimes I think my finger works best for some things. I have to get my hair trimmed after this. I kind of want her to take a couple inches off because my hair's so thin at the ends. Okay, so I'm going to start out with this really, really pretty light pink from my Smoky Eyes 28 color palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm going to take this one right here. Tap it. Start up here. It's gonna make it really light. Maybe I shouldn't tap so much off of it. That's way better. I like that. Let me see it showing. Okay. I think in my last few videos I did pink too. It just like depends on like what I'm wearing. I go off of it. So that's one too. Okay, I'm taking this really pretty light pink right here, and I'm putting it on the bottom of my lid right here. I don't know why I'm using a blending brush for this, but I just thought of something, so I'm going with a different color with that. I'm about to do something. Shoot. Okay, I'm taking this burgundy right here, and I'm gonna do a light little bit of it using the same branding blush, and I'm gonna put it really lightly in the crease right in here. A little bit more. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this really pretty, like it's got peach, like this color right here, and I'm about to put it right here. It kind of looks like a pink too. Okay, I like that. It's not even a peach, it's like a brownish, like I don't even know how to explain that color. So I'm kind of just blending this out right here. I'm not sure still what I want to do. So I'm about to hurry up and do my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna come back and take the tape off. So now I'm gonna take the tape off. I just did my eyebrows. Super pretty. I'm gonna clean up my foundation, but I'll do that in a minute. So I was kind of staring at it a little bit. So I think I'm gonna take my little angle brush right here and kind of like work that burgundy in like the crease a little bit better, just to make it look a little bit more. Not really so much the cut crease, but there's a little better fine line in between it all. So now I'm going to take my Jesse's Girl white liner. I can clean it off. I'll just take my finger and clean it off. Whatever. It's not so much of a big deal. I got one underneath. Outline that. I haven't used this mascara in any of my tutorials. It's always my favorite mascara since I was like a junior in high school. One of my ex-best, well, I can't really call her my ex-best friend, but she used to be like my best friend. And we always use it. It's called the Rocket Volume Express by Maybelline. It's so good. It works so well. I need a close-up mirror. This one doesn't even have a mirror. It's whatever. But literally makes your eyelashes like so full. Like this mascara makes my like bottom lashes look so good. I'm using my Pro Highlight palette today. It's a big, I don't know why it's hot. Okay. I'm gonna take this all off. Oh my gosh. You see my little chubby freaking arms. Okay. I'm gonna be doing the color Graceful today as a highlight. I think it's super pretty, and it goes with like my look today, I feel like. So I'm dabbing that on. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty. I like different color highlighters. Like, this is really pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Urban Decay De-Slick. Because I have oily skin, even though sometimes I feel like nothing ever works for my oily skin. No matter how much I try. I spray so much on. Don't mind me, because my face looks glossy now. And then it dries. Okay. So now, using this Orchid Ecstasy. It's a really pretty pink. One of my best friends got for me for my birthday one year. I want to say it wasn't my senior year. Was it? I forget. I'm super happy with this look. It's really pretty. So thanks for watching. I know this video was kind of weird, crazy. Didn't really talk much, but life's been great for me. Super pretty. I like this look. I'm gonna take some really cute pictures today because, like, yeah. But before you close it on my video, please go subscribe and comment and thumbs up, please. And it'd mean a lot to me. I feel like I'm not going anywhere with my subscribers lately, but it's okay. It takes time. I'm not gonna burst with freaking luck and just have millions of subscribers. I mean, that'd be crazy if I did, but whatever. But see you guys soon.